All right. So this right here is the first thing that I want to start off with in this video because I just got it from Amazon. Did I get this from Amazon? I forgot. Yeah, I did get this from Amazon. I thought I got it from eBay for sale. And this is just a little holder for your monomer, your powder and everything. I like it. It's pretty good. It doesn't come broken or dented or anything. I haven't used it yet, but I'm going to. And it just, let me see if it's fits right here. Let me see if it fits this. You just stick your brush right there and it'll hold it like when you're done or you're not using it. Yeah, that's that. I'm kind of going to be going out of order, but it doesn't really matter. This is a receipt book that I got from the nail supply store. Just so I can keep track of everything, write it down and be like, okay, so I got this and I got that. So I'm gonna order some more of these. Once I run out, because I only make one kinds of acrylic. I only made 3, but I'm gonna make some more. And this right here, I like this little thing right here. I got this from Walmart actually. I forgot where I got this right now, but like I said, everything is going to be linked. But I believe I got this from, I believe it was Bornpretty. And these little rhinestones in here, I got some from eBay, I got some from Bornpretty. Yep, that's about it. I'm working on this little collection because I've already ordered some more coming in, so don't make fun of me because I only got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like, I won't feel it. Don't judge. Oh, and I got that in the crafting section from Amazon. And of course, this Gershon kit that you've also seen before. Got it from Amazon. You already know what that kit came from. I already showed that. That's in this video, that's in this video. And this right here. I also got this from Amazon. Most things came from Amazon because I trust it more than anything else. Either Amazon, eBay, or Walmart. Yeah, Amazon, eBay, or Walmart. This is an LED and UV light. You see, it works perfect. I like it. And also this right here. I also got this from Amazon too. This is not really like a demonstration video. I'm just showing you my nail supplies and everything that I got. Real quick, cute video. And these, I did not get from any of these places. I got this from, also from the beauty supply. I mean, not beauty supply, the nail supply store. And they were $1 a piece. I'm gonna go back and get some more. This is the top coat that I use. I don't know if I should put it this way or this way. I don't know which way my camera is. I forgot. Let me see. Curious Sky Soap Off Gel Polish. But I'm actually finna try a new top coat. It's from, I can't remember. It's from somewhere new. I think it's the Model Ones because it comes like a little 3-pack. I'm gonna show you guys that too once I get it. And of course, the monomer everybody uses, Neil Secret. Got this from eBay. Oh, I got this Curious Sky from Amazon. And this is the only acetone that I use, the only one that I like. Got it from Walmart. And this as well, a little nail clipper. Got it from Walmart once again. And this is a straight edge clipper because, you know, sometimes I don't be feeling like using these. So I just use this to get a more precise cut because sometimes, you know, they'd be like, I want it a little bit more off and this is kind of too big for me to see what I'm doing. So I use this and it's a straight edge so it won't cut your, it's a straight edge. Y'all know how this works. And this I got from Bornpretty. I've already used it, which is why it's this. I mean, a stamp plate from Bornpretty, but it doesn't work. It's all jacked up. I don't know what to do. I primed it, buffed it, and everything, but I just messed it up. So I'm gonna show you guys these. What are these? Paper towels. Sorry, these are paper towels that I also got from Walmart. I was about to order them off of Amazon and pack of 2 or pack of 1, but you have to get like $20 worth of these things just to get it for free shipping, because if you don't, it was gonna like be like $6 shipping, and I wasn't gonna do it. I wasn't gonna do it. This right here are some glitters that I also got from I got all of these from Walmart. These are glitters, and these are some Mylar Flakes. That's how you pronounce it, Mylar Flakes. It says foil confetti, but y'all know we call them Mylar Flakes in the community. And I'm gonna show y'all where the rest of these are, because I got them. Well, I should just show you right now. So this came from Walmart, and I put them in here. This also came from Walmart in the same crafted section that I got the little diamond container from. I put all my rhinestone stuff in, and I put the glitters and everything in here. I haven't put all of them in there just because I feel like I'm not really going to use all of the colors, so I didn't pack all of them, but I will eventually. They all come with this small size. I could fit 2 packs. 2 packs of these would fill up this. This is like 1 pack in here, and it's not going to fit. There are 2 in the middle that come with like a bigger container. I don't know where you put those. And this is where I put the Mylar Flakes. And I got the pink and the little iridescent, clear looking white shimmery ones up here, circle gold, purple. And I'll eventually put the rest of these in there. Can this fit in here? Damn, nope, no, no. All right, I'm gonna eventually put that in there. Eventually. So that's that. And these cuticle nippers, which I needed really bad, because as you can see, my cuticles are bad right now. I'm gonna do my nails eventually. I was just waiting for my nail desk to get and I got this nail desk from Amazon, but you know all about that when I make the video. This was from I keep on saying it was from the nail shop. No, yeah, the nail supply store. Dang. And it was $6 for, this is the number 12, so that's that. And these bad boys, I was waiting for these for a long time. I got these from Amazon. I was going to get it from AliExpress, but I ordered some things from AliExpress and they made me real mad, so I just was like, stop trying to be cheap and, you know, get them from Amazon, which I still got them for a pretty good price, I feel like, on Amazon. These are just a face dust mask and everything. Don't want to be having the monitor directly go in your nose from the dust and everything. I was so glad when I got these. It comes in a pack of 5. This is the hold on. This is the one that I use currently. So it comes in a 5-pack though. Put that back where I got it from. Okay. And these are the nail files I got from Amazon as well. They're the Puma ones. I like this brand actually because I'm also going to order some drill bits from them as well. And these are the 80/80 grit files. You know, these are the really rough, hard ones. They get the job done real quick. Because I like hand files. I use that more than anything, so that's why I have. This is the pack of 10. Yep, 10 pieces. I'm also going to add this mortar and pestle to the nail haul just because I strictly use this for my nails. This is what I make all my color patterns with, which is also a video that I haven't. Because it's important, it's important. I also reordered these from Amazon. This is, I have 2 of these actually. Where is my, I should have 2 of these dehydrators because I've ordered these before And the day that I got them, I opened them up. I was finna do my nails and everything. And my daughter, she's so quick and she's slick and she's really quiet. She grabbed it and she emptied it all out and she into the couch. I was so mad because I didn't even get a chance to open it. She opened it, she spilled it everywhere. Brand new bottle. But the last one that I got, it was like a little tall, skinny bottle. And this time I got the bottle that looks just like a nail polish bottle. It's weird because I should have 2 of these because I had this last time. And then I ordered another one, so I should have 2 of them, so. That's real weird. Something thinking out. I also, this was the last thing that I wanted to show you guys right here. This is my nail practice hand. I got this from the local nail supply store as well. This was about $32 with taxes and everything. It's originally $30, but you know, you add $2 for taxes and stuff. I like this nail. It does come with let me make sure that this is in view. Okay, it's kind of in view now. It'll be okay. Hold on, let me. Damn, there you go. Can you see that? You should. It does come with these things. I just take them off, and she missing a nail. I popped it off by accident, but that goes there. I was just trying to show the shapes, like, you know, taper square, the ballerina, the almond, and the stiletto. I didn't shave this one because I was like, hey, that's all the shapes that I do. Yeah, this is $32, but I usually take those little soft finger pieces off because they easily pop off. And like when you're trying to file it into it, it'll come right off. So I just take them off and I put them on here. And then when I'm through, I just pop them back on and then I take pictures. But you know, it's not broke or anything. It's just, I prefer it like that. So that was good. I don't remember the price of everything I got, so I'm gonna link everything because I can't remember off the top of my head. But that was just like a little short nail haul that I wanted to show you guys. Next video, I will be showing you my nail desk and where I've stored everything. These are my nail tips as well. Let me move this out the way. These are my nail tips. And they kind of look yellow. It's weird. But I guess, yeah. I forgot where I got these. I think I also got these from Bornpretty. But I got this particular container from the nail supply store as well. There's never any zeros right there. There really is. Yeah. I also got these nail forms that I use. I'm trying to get better at nail forms. I'm not really good at them, so I'm going to be practicing more with them. But these I've already opened and used, but I got these from Bornpretty, and also a friend of mine that also does nails. She gave me like a whole nother 100 of them, or 50 of them. I was so grateful. She's so sweet. I love her. She actually gave me a whole lot of stuff once I told her that I love doing nails and everything. It was so sweet. I got some other stuff too. I got those clear tips and these white tips, of course. And these also came with my practice hand. These also come in a box with it. And I also got these clearance. Yeah, this had to be Bornpretty because this is made in Korea and everything. I definitely got these. Let me see. I don't think I bought any, but I might buy some from Amazon because there's just one in particular type that all the nail techs are using and I want to try. All right, y'all. Here's the last of my items that I was waiting to get here from Amazon. I was waiting for these last few ones because they got here while I was at work and my package got stolen. There's some thieves around here. Anyway, this is the Model 1's polishes. It comes with 3. How much was this? This was like, I think $11. I forgot. This is the top coat, the matte coat, and the base coat. It originally comes with the base and top coat, but they throw this in here as a free gift. And these are so pretty. Look at that. Look at that. They're cute. Got that from Amazon. Did I already say that? I forgot. Anyway, there's also some cuticle oil from there as well. And I was waiting on this little thing. It's so cute. And when you get it, it's kind of like, it's tilted right here. So when you sit it down, it's not gonna sit upwards. Well, that's set up right. Okay, never mind. And you can also lean it like that, which is cute. This is the pomegranate and fig one. A little dropper. It's like that. It's cute. Oh, it smells good too. That smells real good. And I also got this. And as y'all know, this is like what, the dotting tools? Yeah, small. This is the biggest one right here. I guess I can take them out so y'all can see it up close. Oh my gosh. I think I got them upside down. I think these are all the sizes right here. On the other side. And this little pack right here, I think this pack was like $6, $6 or $8, I forgot. But y'all know, when I put it in the thing, these actually came out pretty good. I guess this is like a little small one. The striping tools, it comes with like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different striping tools. These 2 little fan brushes, I guess you could say. I don't know what this little thing is, but it's cute. And I don't know what the rest of these brushes are for. They all kind of look the same to me. So do what you will with that. This is the monomer that I use. Be a secret all the time. Okay, so this is the little mill display things I want to show y'all. I got a bunch of ugly colors on here. I'm not gonna lie, these are some ugly colors. So I don't really use that, and I just hung it up in case somebody did want. Like the only pretty color on here is this right here. The little pink. That's about it. But I'm gonna get a book. The nail card booklet. That's what I'm gonna put here. But I got this from Bornpretty just in case y'all wanted it. But next time I get these, probably gonna be just the little points, you know. Almost forgot. I got this little container from Bornpretty as well, and this fits basically just, you know, brushes and everything. This is where I put, you know, this little tool and stuff like that. I almost forgot to add it in, but this is where I put all my little loose tools that I don't want all over the place. I don't want to lose, and it fits a pretty good amount, pretty good height. A lot of stuff can fit in here, even these cuticle nippers if I take them out the package, but I'm not gonna put that in there. This is what I put in there. I'm throwing this away. I don't know why I said that, but this is where I put everything. The thing that I wanted to show y'all was this right here that I got from Amazon. This is what I record with, and it came in this 2-piece set. This is for your phone, and it's pretty long. It's really good. Clamps up right here, and it goes all the way up. It barely clamps just because it doesn't have very much room in this little desk that I got. And this is the part where the diva ring light goes, which is right here. I guess I can actually show you this as well. This is the diva ring light attachment. And everything's gonna be linked because I can't remember all of these prices individually, but I'm pretty sure this was like $45, I think. Now that's the end of the haul.